नमस्ते मैम। ओम शांति।
Namaste, sir. Om Shanti.
हाउ आर यू?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Bali Yoga School.
Hello.
Namaste.
Oh,
Everybody is fine?
this internet connection.
Sneha ma'am,
Yeah, yes, sir.
my voice is clear?
Yes, sir. Your voice is clear.
Okay. Today some network issue and some power supply problem is here.
Okay.
Please to us or
Sit in any comfortable position for starting the class. Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om followed by opening mantra.
Mm. योगेन चित्तस्य Yogi. Sure.
पदेन वाचाम
Padinavacham.
मलं शरीरस्य
Malam Sarirasya.
च वैद्यकेन
Chavitkena.
योपाकरोत्तम
Yopakarutam.
प्रवरं मुनीनां
Pravaram Munina.
पतञ्जलिं
Patanjali.
प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि
Prasasti.
ॐ
Mm.
Join your both palm together in front of heart. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes slowly and gently while blinking. Open your eyes. Om Shanti. Our yesterday topic was facial bones, middle ear bones, and head bone. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
How many bones there in face? How many
14
facial-
bones. 14.
Yeah. Which bone is the strongest bone of human body?
G. No.
Yeah, chin bone. That is mandible. The name of chin
Mandible.
bone is mandible.
Mhm.
What is the name of upper jaw bones?
Maxilla.
Maxilla. Okay. How many bones in cranium?
Cranium.
Eight bones.
Yeah, eight bones. 8 bones in cranium. Cranial bones are 8 bones. Skull divided into how many parts?
Yes, skull divided in 2 parts, that cranial and facial bones.
Yes. What are the names of middle ear bones?
Sorry. Okay,
What are
name.
the names of middle ear bones? Middle ear bones.
It's a chin bone or lower jaw bone.
Middle ear bones, not asking.
Auditory ossicles.
Yeah, auditory skull. What are the names?
Can you
There is-
repeat the question?
There is 3 bones.
Malleus, incus, stapes.
Yeah, malleus, incus, and stapes are the middle ear bones.
Okay, middle ear. Okay.
Which one is the smallest bone of human body?
It's stapes.
Yeah, stapes. Now our today's topic is vertebral column. VERTEBRAL. Vertebral column. COLUMN. Is this diagram visible?
Yes.
Vertebral column diagram. This is vertebral column diagram. Physically, there is 24 separate vertebrae, and after 24 vertebrae, there is one sacrum and one coccyx. So you can draw the diagram. First, draw one line like this in same curve. This is cervical curve, this is thoracic curve, this is lumbar curve, and this is sacrum and coccyx. There is 7 vertebrae in cervical area. 7 vertebrae in cervical areas, that is neck region. 12 vertebrae in thoracic region, and 5 vertebrae in lumbar region. So cervical vertebrae in short known as T7, thoracic vertebrae T12, and lumbar vertebrae L5.
Sir, I cannot hear you.
Yes, Sneha ma'am.
Yeah, I cannot hear you. Okay, now, yeah.
I am not speaking that time.
Oh, okay.
Now
I thought because
audible?
of, yeah, it's audible.
Okay, because you are drawing the diagram, no?
Yeah.
So that time I was not speaking. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Write down. Vertebral column is a long curved rod. Vertebral column, VERTEBRAL, vertebral column, COLUMN, is a long curved rod, CURVED.
Sound is
Rod
interrupting.
Yeah,
in
your
head and hip.
sir, your voice was breaking. Like we cannot only vertebral column is a long curve road. After that,
Rod.
we are not able. Okay.
It
after that.
present between head and hip. It present between head and hip. Clear?
Yes, sir.
It is 71 centimeter long in average male.
Can you repeat that? The internet is really bad. How
It
many
is-
centimeters?
Long. Yeah, speak again. Bali Yoga School.
Can you repeat what you said with how long it is? Because internet connection is really bad.
I just speaking. It in average male, yeah, 71 centimeter long in average male and 61 centimeter long in average female. It is 71 centimeter long in average male and 61 centimeter long in average female. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sneha ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Are you okay?
Yeah, sir. I just feel sleepy. It's 10 p.m. So
Okay. It is divided into 5 parts. It is divided into 5 parts. The first one is 7 cervical vertebrae. 7 cervical vertebrae. CERVICAL. CERVICAL. Cervical vertebrae. 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 7 cervical vertebrae. It found in neck region. It found in neck region. And these are the most mobile vertebrae. These are the most mobile vertebrae. More than 90% mammals, more than 90% mammals have 7 cervical vertebrae. More than 90% mammals have more than 70% mammals have 7 cervical vertebrae. Second one is 12 thoracic vertebrae. Thoracic vertebrae. THORACIC. Thoracic vertebrae. These vertebrae found posterior to thoracic cavity. These vertebrae found posterior to thoracic cavity.
sir, can you spell it for thoracic?
Posterior,
Posterior.
POSTERIOR. POSTERIOR. Posterior to thoracic. 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 Thoracic cavity. CAVITY. These vertebrae found posterior to thoracic cavity.
Thoracic cavity.
Yeah. They provide attachment point to ribs. They provide attachment point to ribs. They provide attachment point to ribs, RIBS. The third one is 5 lumbar vertebrae. LUMBER, lumbar vertebrae, VERTEBRAE, 5 lumbar vertebrae. These vertebrae found in belly area. These vertebrae found in belly area. And they support the lower back. They support the lower back. They support the lower back. Fourth number is 5 sacral vertebrae. 5 sacral vertebrae. SACRAL. SACRAL. Sacral vertebrae. BERTEBRAE. 5 sacral vertebrae. These vertebrae found below the lumbar area. Below the lumbar area. These vertebrae found below the lumbar area are in hip region. They are found in hip region. These are fused together. These are fused together. FUSE, fused together to form one sacrum. To form one sacrum. SACRUM. These vertebrae fused together to form one sacrum. The next one is 4 coccygeal vertebrae. 4 coccygeal vertebrae. COCCYGEAL. 4 coccygeal vertebrae. COCCYGEAL. VERTEBRAE. 4 coccygeal vertebrae. These are found below the sacrum. These are found below the sacrum, SACRUM. These are found below the sacrum. They fuse together to form coccyx. They fuse together to form coccyx. CO double CYX. CO double CYX. Coccyx. Coccyx, also known as tailbone. So total, how many vertebrae are there? Count.
Hmm.
29.
No. How 29? 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 5
9.
sacral, and 5 coccygeal,
Mm.
4 coccygeal.
19, 19, 29, and 34. No, 33.
33. 33 vertebrae are there. 33 vertebrae. Write down. There is 33 vertebrae, but 26 bones. But 26 bones are there in vertebral column. Why 26 bones? Because 5 sacral vertebrae fuse together to form sacrum, and 4 coccygeal vertebrae
Coccygeal.
fuse together to form coccyx. So there is 7 cervical vertebrae, 12 thoracic vertebrae, 5 lumbar vertebrae are present. 7 cervical vertebrae, 12 thoracic vertebrae, 5 lumbar vertebrae are there. 12 plus 7, 19 plus 5, 24. But in place of 5 sacral vertebrae, there is 1 sacrum, and in place of 4 coccygeal vertebrae, there is 1 coccyx. So there is 26 bones, but 33 vertebrae. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you.
True.
Twenty-four vertebrae are physically present, 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, and 5 lumbar. And in place of 5 sacral vertebrae, there is 1 sacrum, and in place of 4 coccygeal vertebrae, there is 1 coccyx, that is tailbone.
Okay.
Okay? Any question?
No, sir.
And there is 23 vertebral discs. 23 vertebral discs are there. 23 vertebral discs are there. Every vertebral disc present between two vertebrae. Every vertebral disc present between two vertebrae. Means there is one vertebra, one disc, one vertebra, one disc, like this. One vertebra, disc, then after one vertebra, after then one disc, like this. The vertebral disc present in vertebral column. But 523 vertebral disc, there is 24 physically vertebral vertebrae are present. So 1 less vertebral disc.
Maybe there is no vertebral disc in tailbone, coccyx.
Yeah, there is no vertebral disc. There is more than the sacrum and coccyx is out of 24. I am counting 24 vertebrae, 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, and 5 lumbar. Between first and second vertebra, there is no disc. Between first and second vertebra, there is no disc. Vertebral disc starts after second vertebra. Vertebral disc starts after second vertebra. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now write down the function of, not first, write some more points before function. The first vertebra name is atlas. The first vertebra name is atlas, ATLAS. The first vertebra name is atlas. On which our skull rests, on which our skull rests, RESTS. The first vertebra provide free movement to head, front and back. The movement is front and back. This movement. So it is known as yes bone. Atlas bone name is yes bone because this is the symbol of yes. Front and back movement is the symbol of yes. The second vertebra name is axis, AXIS. The second vertebra name is axis, which provide side rotation to head, which provide side rotation to head, and also known as no bone, because this is the symbol of no. Side rotation is the symbol of no.
Excuse me,
Clear?
could you repeat, please? What is the another name of atlas bone and second?
The first vertebra name is atlas, and it provides free movement to head, front and back. Clear? The first vertebra name is atlas.
Yes.
It provides free movement to head, front and back,
Mm-hmm.
also known as yes bone. And the second vertebra name is axis, that provides side rotation to head and also known as no bone.
Okay, thank you. So
Clear? Now write down the function of vertebral column. Function of vertebral column. It protects the spine, not a spine, spine is itself.
Sir, your voice is
It protects the
breaking.
spine. Okay.
it protects what?
Spinal cord. SPINAL CORD. Spinal cord. Now voice is clear?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Okay. It protects the spinal cord, supports the head, and provides attachment point to ribs, It also provides attachment surface. To the muscles of back and neck. It also provides the attachment surface to the muscles of back and neck. Clear? It also provides the surface to the muscles of back and neck. intervertebral disc act as shock absorber. Intervertebral disc act as shock absorber. VE. Clear?
Sorry, the voice was breaking. Could you repeat?
Intervertebral disc act as shock absorber. Clear? Neha ma'am.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So enough for today's class. Any question?
No, sir.
Bali Yoga School?
No, all clear. Thank you.
Clear?
Yes, sir,
Pardon,
clear.
ma'am.
No, I didn't get the last one.
The intervertebral disc act as shock absorber. Vertebral disc acts as shock absorption. Clear?
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Sit in any comfortable position for closing the session. Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply for one time. Om Shri Shanti together. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palm together.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank